Alright, hi guys. Thanks for coming for our tonight lesson. Okay. Alright, so make sure you already install Python 3.7 and Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So I think the latest Python version is 3.8, but I recommend you to use 3.7 because right now TensorFlow 2 must use at least not at least maximum Python version Python is 3.7. So currently 3.8 not supported yet, but we not doing any TensorFlow code for tonight, right? So what we trying to do is we want to scrap maybe a property, a real estate or property website. Okay, so we will scrap from 2 pages. Okay, so first page is list page. Okay, so they have a navigation, the page navigation maybe can up to maybe 100 pages, but we don't we not scrap until 100 pages Okay, and then next the second page is the details page, so which is once the user click the specific property, then they will redirect to the second page, which is a details page. Okay, so our aim is our website for tonight is, so I have 3 property websites to scrap. Okay, so first iProperty, second Property Guru, third Edge Property. But I think we can scrap on the iProperty website. So maybe we can go to their website first. Okay, iProperty. Okay. So this here, this is their website. Okay. So we're trying to scrap from this page, the listing page listing, this page. Okay, maybe okay, but we just cover only one website which is iProperty. So maybe we need to wait. Maybe. Okay, maybe quite slow. Internet's not good. Okay, internet connection maybe not good tonight. So this the page listing. Maybe it takes time to load. Okay, to refresh. Okay, I think never mind. Just wait until it's loading completed. Alright, so this is a listing page. Then second page will be details page, page details. So this is a page details. Wait, Okay, this is the page listing. Okay, this is the details page, right? Okay, think while we waiting loading, we can okay, so make sure you already install lah Python 3.7. Okay, so you already install Python 3.7. So Python, okay, so Python 3.7, and then Jupyter Notebook. Okay, make sure you already install these two, Python 3.7 and Jupyter Notebook. Okay, this is the listing page, right? Okay, so make sure you install 3.7. I think never download button here. Okay, depends on your platforms lah. Okay, so Jupyter Notebook, so you can install via terminal here, this one. So, but I'm not showing how to install because I already installed in my machine. So you can use this command. So once you install Python here inside this terminal, so when you install, you can check the version. Oh sorry, this one sorry. Okay, so I'm using 3.7. Okay. So if you want to install Jupyter Notebook, you can just, sorry, because I'm using Python 3, right? So install Jupyter Lab. Yes, Jupyter Lab. Okay, sure. This is the command. Okay. Okay. So once done, so you need to go to your workspace. So for this lesson, my workspace will be on desktop. Okay. So maybe I create new folder. Then I just type web scraper. Okay, web scraper. Okay, so I change directory desktop. Okay, and I go to web scraper. Okay, so once done, you can run Jupyter Notebook command. Okay. Right. Okay. So once you open this page, you can go to you can select Python 3. Yeah. Okay. So we're not using Python 2. 2.7 now. Already obsolete. Okay. Right. Okay. So first thing first. Okay. So you need to know what kind of library for scraping. Okay. Right. Because we want to grab some elements, right, from these two pages, for list page, then the details page. So how about we go to beautiful soup. Okay, so this is a beautiful soup. So okay, so this one for parts. So you can read the details here from this uh, documentation, page documentation, right? So the best friend of developer is uh, the documentation and the web. All right. Okay, so make sure you install first, this one. Okay, so you can install Beautiful Soap 4 here. Okay, so you can open new terminal, then type part 3 install Beautiful Soap 4. Okay. Okay, I think never mind this one. This one for TensorFlow. All right. Okay, so you need to import. Okay, I think name it index. Index. Okay. So this is your Jupyter notebook, Jupyter code here. File, Jupyter file. Right? Okay, first thing you need to import. So BS4. Okay. So from BS4 import beautiful soup. Okay. So you need to import request because we want to deal with URL, right? Okay. So pandas. For pandas, so we need to install pandas. Okay. Right. Okay, I think you can read more details in this page. What's pandas? Okay, I'm not going to details about this library. Okay. So make sure you already install pandas. Okay. So if you want to install pandas, type okay, install pandas. Right. I think already installed, so no need to worry. Okay. Okay, so import pandas. So from pandas, import data frame. Okay, so we need to import CSV because we want to create a new CSV file. Alright, then we will create a few what we call attribute or features okay, inside. So maybe we need to determine later what kind of information we want to scrap. Okay, so run. Okay, so far so good. Right. So okay, then we open. Okay, sort of the what the file name. File name. So we name it as data.csv. Okay. So mode right. Yes. 5. So field names. Okay. So we don't know right what kind of information we want to extract. Okay. So okay, so go to the this page. Okay, I think we not scrap all the information. We just scrap the basic one. Okay, so maybe if you see this for the on the first property, so maybe we can grab the price here, name, property name, what you call mm, location. Okay, location. Right. I think that's all. Right, for this page. And then the don't forget the link. Okay, the property link for details, property details here. So you also need to uh, grab the link, right? So field name. Okay, so we grab link first. Link. Okay, this one link. Okay, then wait. Okay, link. Property name. So property name. Price. So I think link name. Link name. I think this one no need because we want to just cover the only the basic one, right? So what we try? Okay, name, location, not location, price, price. Is it type? We want to get the type, type, type. Okay, type, price. Okay, so address. Okay, so address. I think that's alright. That's all. Okay. I think we cover only this for list page, only this features first. Okay. So writer. So writer csv dot date writer csv. So file. So field name. Field names. Okay. So writer dot write shader. Okay. So there are no CSV file, right? So, see, if I run, see, this is the CSV file already created. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is our 5 features. Okay. All right. So what's next? So we need to create a few of arrays. Okay. Because the reason why, if you see, right, so they have a few properties, right? So each property we will append we will push the item, the property item, into array. Okay, so we do this first. So property link. Okay, so property what name. Okay, so property type. Okay, type property what price. Property address. So this is your array. Okay, run. Okay, so far so good. Alright, so what's next? Okay, we need to create new function. A new scraper function. So scraping. Okay, so this is a new function. So web page. So we try. Okay, so I explain this function, the scraping function. So we will be, there are 2 parameters here. So the web URL, the URL, and then the what we call the page number. Okay, so why we need page number? So this is the first page, right? So we want, let's say, if you want to harvest all the, let's say, there's this first page, right, and the second page, third page. So we can we need to use the page number parameter lah. Okay, so page number. So page number. Okay, then we need to add headers because we want to treat the system. So the scraper, we want to act this scraper as a user, not as a bot. Right? So without this, maybe they will reject your request. Okay, try this. I think I not remember the header. So headers. What? Header fighter. Wait, header fighter for scraper. So maybe there's a trick here. How to prevent getting blocked while scraping? I think there's a header. I not really remember what's the header's name. Okay, maybe we can try this one. Okay, so Mozilla, this one lah. Okay, I think it's quite long to mention. Right, so copy this. Okay, I think under scrape hero, how to prevent get blacklisted for scraping. So set headers here. Right, good to go. Okay. So headers, okay. Alright, so we need to create a new variable so we can combine a full URL, this one, the URL, this URL, and with the page number. Okay, so next page, what, web page. So the parameter we get from here, right? Then string, so we convert page number integer to string, right? So page number. Okay, then response, so request dot get string. So you need to know you need to know about Python lah. Okay, so that's why I know this this syntax. Okay, so get next page, then add headers. Okay, headers, right? Okay, so next we need to create we can use BeautifulSoup, get the from this response. Okay, okay, so what, BeautifulSoup, what, response the text, right? So I think get there for documentation here. See, you can parse the HTML using this. So the markup is a response, right? So HTML dot parser. Okay, HTML what dot parser. Okay, so next we want to okay, we try to print out print out. So okay, we want to print out what's the output here, right? The value. So okay, so run. Okay, this is the function, not yet finished. So because we want to test the function first, either it's working or not. Okay, so get the full URL here, copy. So this is URL. Okay, alright, so we need to add the page number, right? Okay, so maybe we can start with 1. Alright, so maybe if you want to start with it depends maybe you want to scrap from the first page. So if you first page, you can type 1 okay. So if second page you want to start from the second page, you can type 2 okay. So but you need to make sure the parameter is is correct. So HTML, this one is this the URL, right? So how to know what's the parameter here for this URL? So you can click this so you can get the parameter here, the page 2 here. Okay, so page 2. Okay, so this your complete URL. Okay, so we start with the 1 okay. Alright, so we try run. Okay, see, it's working. So this is our output, right? Okay. Alright. So I think you already understand, right? So how to, okay, but this one not completed yet. So we can continue. So next, you need to make sure. Alright. So this first page, right? So this first page, they say for the first page, because we want to we want to scrap from first, second, third, and so forth, right? Right. So we need to create some looping. Okay. Alright. So you need to okay. So we start from the first page, right? So you need to count how many items you want to scrap. So let's say it's property. If you want to know how many items for one page, so let's say the item is a property, the property, each property. So I call item, okay, for more understanding. Okay. Alright. So okay, right click. So this is my best practice. Okay. So I usually go to specific element. So let's say uh, for link, right? So link, so one property they will be have there will be one link, right? Okay. So this is your link. So go to your parent element, so which is a div, right? So the class. So go to the, okay. So this child. Okay, you need to understand the parent and child concept. Okay, so it's similar like SML lah, the concept. Okay, so this child and then the parent. So your parent will they be the IV. So we can copy the class here. Alright. So copy class. Okay. So you know the class you already copy, right? So copy, then search. Okay. So it doesn't make sense, right? So 96. Okay, because if you count properly, this they will it's around 24. I already do some checking, okay, before I scraping this website. Okay, so it doesn't make sense. So we can break your code. Okay, so make sure when you search, so they must be the items for one page is same with this one. So if let's say this one 24, right, on the left side, but the number here is 96, so is not correct. So what you need to do is you need to find you need to use your what we call common sense. So which one you need to you is a the correct way to find it. Okay, so maybe you can go to the this is the you already go to this element, right? So we can go to the upper element, maybe the parents, the parent of this div. Okay, so this one contact details, right? So search C48. So it still doesn't make sense. So go to the parent, this one, right? C34. So we already hit the jackpot. So this is the this is the element we want to use. Okay. Alright. So go to the soup. link. Okay, soup link. Okay. Alright, so they if you want to find, right, let's say find. Okay, so therefore find or find all method. So we want to use not find only one element only. So if find all, they grab all the elements. So let's say if there are 24, so 24 elements are they grab. Okay, so 24. So using you need to use find all. Okay, okay, close up on this. See, find all. See the find all. So there's a find all next. Okay, so if you have to grab for all the elements, right, 24 elements, so find all. So if you want to grab specific element, find. Okay, later we use find method. So find all. So the make sure the IV, right, so the IV, then attributes class, then put your, we call your class you already copy, right, here. So copy, then put it. Okay, close this one, quite annoying. Okay, so copy it here. Right, so to make sure your is it correct or not, right, so you can print out soup link. Okay, run. See, they grab all the links. Okay, so I think you're on the right path. Okay, so soup link. Okay, so I think already get the link, right. So they have a name, type, price, address. Okay, so let's say for, okay, we want to get the type, right. Okay, so type, so soup type soup dot find all. So find all lah. Right, so okay, but we don't know the type, right. So the type will be this one. This is the type. Okay, so we can right click, inspect. Okay, so this is it correct, the type? Not sure. I'm not sure about this. Okay, right. So is it this one, the type? Okay. Right, so this our element. Okay, see, so we can copy, try to verify. See, 24, so it's a jackpot. So I think paragraph, right. P. Okay, so P plus right. Okay, so done. So we can you can try to print out, but I think this is the correct one. Okay, Okay, so name state. Name state. Which one? State. I think no state here, right? Name. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I think maybe we can try create a loop. Okay, I think it's enough for this one. So let's skip for enrich. So wait, okay, so all right. So for in, so maybe we can create range range for link, right? So we will create loop 24 loops, okay, to get name, price, address, okay. Hmm. Okay. So I think you can use find all same like name or what price at the time, but I think you can use this this method. So in range, so range length called soup link. Okay, so link. Okay. So this the create a loop here. Alright, so we need to find what we call name. Is it name correct? I'm not sure what that name property name type. Okay, we find the we try to grab the property link first. Okay, property link, property link, property link. Okay, property link. So link. Okay. Okay, so okay. So this array. So first array, right? So we get the first link. Okay. So array, but then we do a find because one, right? We target one element. Okay. So A. Right. So what's the okay? I think if you don't want to use add attributes right here, you can directly using this also can. No issue. So class. So what's the element here? Okay, depth list tingkat link. Okay, we try to verify. Oh, 442. Okay. So you need to make sure it just only 24 only 24 not 442. Okay, so something wrong. I think it's okay. But if you want to just only specifically to find the link only for view details, you can check the text. Is the text of the link view details? So you can get only this link only. Right? We want to grab the href, this one. Okay. So pt so link. So if link text. Okay. So we want to check the text value of the property link here. This one we want to check. Right? We want to check view details. Where's the view details? See view details here. Okay, so view details. So let's say if view details the text value match, so you can get the link. So we can try to print out. We try to verify. Okay, so print. No, we print pty link. Then we call href. Okay, we want to get the link, right? Okay, so try run. See, we get the all the links here. Right. So far so good. Say okay. So once you're done, you need to push the item inside the property link. Okay, this one property link, right? So dot append. Okay. So pty link href. Correct, right? Okay. So I think done for property link. So next the type. Okay, type name type. Name. I think it's correct to get name. Can get name. Okay, name. So this is the name. Okay. So not sure about this one. JSJ. I think we go to type first. Okay, we skip name type. So we try get type price and address. Because okay, why I skip the property name, because I want to show how you can get the name on this page. Okay, so we want to try to come out a solution, because right now I just show for the listing page. So once you get the link, then you go to the details page. The link you already got here, right? So details page, then we can get name here. Okay. So I think we don't have much time to get all the info. You just get the name here. Alright? Okay. Because I just want to make it short. Right? So okay. Okay, we go to type first. Okay, property type. So property type here, property type. So I think we already get the property type here, right? Okay. So property type dot pen so type. Okay. So text Okay, you need to get the text right. Okay, text, then you need to split. So why split? Because this type right, we want to get not the whole text. Okay, we want only get only this part only. Okay, because there's a one, two. I think wait, one, two. Okay, this one. Okay, so type. Let me think first. Type. Okay, so type. Okay, so there's a we want to split the text. So bungalow corner. This is the type. Okay, and then there's a separator right dot and then land area. So we don't want the all of this land area partly finished. We don't want. We just only bungalow corner. So we split the dot. We take the left side. Okay, so how to take left side? So split. So split this symbol. Okay, we copy because not sure what's the on the keyboard right. I need what I need to type. So just copy. Okay, and then you need to select on the left. So on the left 0. So or if on the right 1. Okay. So this property type. Okay, property. Okay, I think property. Okay, type price. Okay, price. Okay, I think price also we can get the on the details page. Price, address. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think it's okay. We can. Okay, so we print out the text here. We try test. Okay, so run. See, I got all the type, property type. Okay. So next, alright. So we want to go to the details page. Alright. So details page, we need to what we call? Is it details page? I think it's okay. This one. I think you can use this one. Copy. Alright, so okay, detail page. So we need to create exactly like this. Okay, detail page. Then get the link here. Property, this one. Okay. So property. So we can combine pt1 link href. See? Okay. So once you get the URL here, then you can combine with the property details URL. Okay, then response request dot get thing same like this one. So change detail page. Okay, detail page. Then soap, beautiful soap. Response. What dot? What? So text right? Text. HTML parser. Okay. Okay, so right now we want to grab the name, right? Name. What name? What's left? Name, price, address, right? Okay, so property name. Okay, append. I think you cannot use this one. Okay, you need to get the element first. So soap name. Okay, soap. Sound. Soap dot find. Okay, find what? So go to this page. Okay. So right click inspect. Okay, right click inspect. Oh, charger. Charger. Okay. Right, so okay, gotcha. So H1, this one. So this is your property name. Okay. Puncak Jalil. This is your property name. Okay. So H1. So H1, then go to what we call this one. Okay, so class. Okay, this is your property. The property name, right? Okay. Then you can append. So property name, what? Property name append. So dot text. Okay. So you can try no. So name dot text and print. We have to check, right? So run. Okay. Stop. So I need to close this one first. I want to show only property name. Okay, see? This is a property name for the first page. Okay. So actually this one grab from the details page. Okay. So I think total 34. 34. Right. Okay. Right, so next we want to get the price. So sort price. So dot find. Okay. Price. This one price, right? Price. Okay, property price div and div. Okay. So div. Okay. So div. Alright, nice, splendid. So property price dot append. Okay, so price. Okay, I think this is not the correct way, because we don't want to get sale RM and then it's not a clean way to scrap the data. Okay, we want to eliminate that kind of characters. Okay, that kind of string. Okay. Right. So okay, we try to take a look here first. So print. Run. Okay, see, I don't want the wording sale RM. It's not nice to grab. Okay, I think we can take it out. So how to take it out? So how? Sure. Sales. I think it's order on the current phase, I think it's okay. Grab this, but later on, if you want to do the ETL process, right? Which is you want to extract, okay, and then you need to transform, load the data. So you need to convert this text into numerical data, alright? So I think on at this point, I think it's okay. Okay, I think if you want to remove it now, also can. Let me show to you how to do to eliminate this. I want to remove sales from blah blah rm, right? So text, you can do the split, same concept. Okay, so rm, okay, so you want to split, right, and then take on the right side, okay, and then the comma, right, comma, you just comma, right, we want to take out comma, okay, only the numeric data exists, okay. We just to show only that kind of data, alright. So okay, on the right side, then replace, okay, we want to replace comma with empty string, okay, alright. So we try to print out, okay, try to print out, okay, can run, okay, check it, see, sorry, clean up, okay, but okay, there's a but, so there's a dash right there. Yeah, I think it's good, this one. So later on, if you want to clean data, make sure you remove the dash. But I noticed, right, there's a two numbers between dash before and after. So maybe you can, if you want to we want to fix the data, right, maybe you can use the min, yeah, but there's a lot of methods, right, but we can cover, I can cover that part on the next lesson. Okay, so I think last is address. Okay, so the find, what find, okay, so what's the next? Address, this one, address. So address Selangor, right? Okay, go to address Selangor. So what's the element we want to grab? What element? Address. So we want to grab sales default, right? Okay, can use this one, sales default. Okay, so under what? Span. So span what? Okay. Oh, what is this? Okay, sell default, and we can property address dot append, so address, address dot text, right? Is it correct? So we test it first. then we print. Okay, print. Okay, run. For scrap. Okay, so we got some error here. So we need to trace which details which got some issue here. So maybe you can print detail page. Okay, so run. So this is how I troubleshoot. Okay, so under what this link, right? Under hub Taman Desa, right? So try copy this one. Okay, then open. Okay, open new tab. Okay, so right click, inspect as usual, then go to the address. So click this one, address. Okay, alright, I think I saw the problem here. So property address new PPP, right? So as you see here, this is self default. So we need to add another element. Okay, so add another element. So make sure I create different soap. So address 1, so address 2. Okay, and copy this one, copy and paste here. So this one 2. Okay, so we want we do the we make a try try and catch. Okay, so let's say if we try to append so address 1, if error, if none, right, then we throw to here. Okay, try catch. So index errors, cut here, then paste it here. Okay, alright. Okay, oh, they are two. See, I think same, right? I think it's okay lah, this one. So address 1. Okay, if not exists, so address 2. Okay, so copy and put it here. Okay, run. Go. Oh my god, so text. I have no text. Oh, sorry. This one not 1. It's a 2. Oh, silly mistake. Okay, let's run. Okay, scraping. Go. Okay. Okay, attributes. Right. So what's the mistake here? Okay, so property address. Append soap address. 1. Okay, I think because I saw there's a 2, right? So what if we make as an array? We take on the first element. Okay, try. Oh, got error. Okay, scraping. Okay, so what's the error here? The first, right? So address 1 for text. So I see. I think there's a no wonder I got error because there are more than one elements, right? So I think I cannot use find. Need to use all, find all. Okay, try run. Okay, I think we're almost done, but we have some issue here. So try address. Okay, forward the address. So what's the issue here? So what's the issue here actually? Okay, cannot print. I think cannot use print. Try run. Weird. Because I tried to print out that null, but in Python they call none. Alright. So far so good. Okay. I think we already completed. Okay, but not finished. We not 100% finished. So we already scrap the list, page listing and page details. Okay. So this one only for one page. Okay, so for the first page. So how about if I want to scrap like 100 pages? So it's easy. So you need to type only this. So if page number less than, okay, let's say I want to grab 2 pages, right? Or 3. Okay, 3. Then page number equal to page number plus 1. Okay, so increment. So scraping web page number. Oh, okay. You can try run. So I'm not showing until 100 pages because we don't have much time. Okay, so this is for 3 pages. Oh, it got error. So list out of range. Okay, what's the issue here? So price. So we got the pricing issue. Price. Okay, so price. Okay, I think we can fix that. So this is under new property, right? So you can copy. We check right. So this one new property. Okay. Okay, see the contact for price. So if I click here, so okay, so they're not found RM here. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to create let's say so maybe we can try and catch up. So try property blah blah blah, right? See, so if let's say error, we catch up. So accept. Okay, index error. So no pricing, right? So no pricing, we just put 0, right? So the price what 0. I think that's all. Now run again. So, I think this is the for first page. Okay, we go to the second page. This one second page. Alright lah, I think it's okay lah. This one it's okay. I think it's working. So maybe we can go to the next step. Okay. So next step we need to stop. Okay, that's all. Okay, stop. Okay, we need to create a new object. Okay, so new object because we want to pump. We want to write into Excel file. Okay, so link. Okay, what link with property link. Okay, then name, property name, type, property type. Okay, so what's next? So price, property price. Okay lah. And last what? So price, I think make sure the sequence correct. So by address. Okay, then run. Okay, so we need to print the data. When we want to verify. Okay, so this is the data here. Okay lah, I believe this one. Okay. So we almost completed. Okay, so we need to print let's say all the futures, right? So we need to calculate how many for each futures, how many length, okay, for each future. So print length I think I don't remember this one. So for v in data values, is it correct? I don't know, just try now. Okay, something not add up. So 210. Is because I stopped the scraping, so I need to run again. So I think just only 2 pages are sufficient. Okay, we try to restart. Okay, see if let's say this one 210 and then second let's say it's first column 210, right? And then this one for links. Okay, so this one 184 210, so it doesn't make sense so we need to make sure same, the length must be same. Okay, run. So I just scrap only 2 pages okay, so first page and second page, so make sure the length same. If not, we will got some error message during writing on the Excel file. Okay, copy. See, so 48 same, right? So we can write into our Excel file. So make sure we put it in data frame first. Okay, so that's why we're using pandas. So df Okay, we almost there. We almost done. Okay, data, what columns? Okay, so link. I remember this one. Just copy, yeah. Okay, copy and paste. JDF dot to CSV. So where's the location? So R, no, this one. Okay, so I want to put it here. Copy and paste. So what's scrap to data dot CSV. Okay, if I run this one, it will write into this file. This Excel file. So empty, right? So this one empty, right? Okay, so I run. Okay, so it's supposedly already filled up. So I close, open. Ta-da! So this is your data scraping. So name, type, price. Okay, I think that's all for tonight or today, I don't know. Okay, so I try to recap. So first, you need to install your Python 3.7 and Jupyter Notebook, right? So to make sure you can use this app, then you need to install BeautifulSoup, Request, Pandas, Data Frame, Pandas, CSV. CSV I think already installed. Also BeautifulSoup and Pandas. Then you need to create a new CSV file. Okay, so we need to declare the field names, the futures attributes. Then we need to create an array. Then we create a new function. Okay, so make sure you add the agent on your headers, because we want to treat the system that this is the real user, not the bot. Okay, then we scrap. We get the element of the link type. Okay, and then we loop, then get the others like name, blah blah blah, like as you can see on the picture, right? Then we can scrap. Then we determine how many pages we want. So let's say if 2 pages, we can two pages. If 100 pages, we say 100 pages. Then we run the scraping function. So once done, we put it inside, create a new object here, data. Then we print out. We want to check, we want to verify, right? Is it correct or not? So then we need to print out the length, okay, the data values here. So if same, so then you can write into your CSV file. Okay, so you can let's say if you want, if you want to try to scrap to the other website, you can use the same technique that I use right now. Okay, so let's say if you want some help, let's say if you try to code but you still stuck, okay, you can let me know. Okay, maybe I can help you out. All right, so not only for I think there are a lot of benefits of scraping. So we can do like competitive analysis, we can do like lead generation, right? So I think that there are a lot of benefits from there. Okay, I think you can do some research about this. Okay, so let's say if you want to automate or augment your business process, just let me know. All right. Okay, so thank you very much for watch this video. Thank you very much, and